Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the OR function. This is a hugely important function, especially when using if statements and you want to evaluate multiple situations, very similar to the AND function covered in another video, but obviously, as you can guess, it's the opposite of the AND function. So whereas the AND function requires all of the evaluations to be true, the OR function only requires that one of the evaluations is true. So let's just jump into it. Fairly simple. It's just going to be OR, and then we're just going to put in all of our evaluations. So in this situation, we've got three different things that we will be evaluating, and we're going to be evaluating against the same thing. So we'll say is B5 greater than 75. The second evaluation is C5 greater than 75. And the third evaluation is D5 greater than 75. Once again, you can, instead of using cell references, you can type this in. So you can say, instead of C3, you can say 75. It will do the exact same thing, just a lot simpler and cleaner if you just use cell references, because then if we want to change 75, we wouldn't have to change it here, here, here. We can just change this cell and it will do it for us. So close that parentheses, hit enter, and then it is going to give you a true or a false. So in this situation, none of these are over 75, so it is giving us a false. But if we were to throw any of these over 75, just because there is one evaluation that turns out true, it makes the whole statement true. Even though these two are false, it still makes it true. It doesn't matter which one is true, just the fact that one is true makes the whole thing true. So hugely powerful, makes it very simple and easy to evaluate multiple things. Instead of doing nested if statements that get long and cumbersome, you can just throw an OR function in there and then do a true or false after that. That's the most common use of it. It's probably what you guys will be using it for, but it does have a few other situations where it is helpful. If you have any questions on it, please throw them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.